Ashlyn, and this next song, Yamosa will be singing, is Rainstorm by Donkin. It is alien torque, which means the piece has elements of randomness, making it chaotically beautiful. The composer was born into a musically active family, being influenced by several different forms, such as folk, fiddle, jazz, classical, romantic, and several more. Her works are performed all across the continent, and she has won several awards for her music. Please enjoy this piece just as